Whenever a snake finds bird eggs, it swallows them without hesitation. However, there is one bird whose eggs it can never reach, the Penduline tit. This clever bird builds its nest hanging from a tree branch, making it nearly impossible for predators to reach. But even if a snake somehow manages to reach the nest, it still won't find the eggs. That's because while the eggs are inside the nest, they remain hidden from the snake. The reason for this is that the nest has two entrances leading to two separate chambers. One chamber is specifically designed to fool the snake. It is empty and always open. Meanwhile, the second chamber, where the bird's eggs and chicks are kept, has a hidden entrance. The snake, unaware of this secret room, leaves empty-handed, making the Pendolino's nest a brilliant example of nature's defense mechanisms.